because I've sat down and filmed a video for you guys. But I'm here and I'm back. So I know I've been gone. Oh, shut up. These dogs don't shut up. And it's always like somebody else's dogs. Okay, so it's been a while, but I'm back. I promise. I always think about you guys. I promise. I'm like, I have to film a video, but I just be busy. Busy. So for this video, oh my god, I have nothing planned. I just decided that I need to film something for you guys because it's been such a long time, but here I am. I guess I'm gonna do one of my favorites, which is, I do it pretty often. Also, don't mind my mustache. I have to shave it. These dogs, bro. So I'm gonna do mouth sounds and hand movements as per usual. Also, my Hello Kitty. I'm not gonna lie, the dog is just gonna be in my video, featured in my video. I don't even know what he's barking. No other dog is barking but that dog. So you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been watching ASMR like that much, but I've always loved ASMR. Her name sounds like so relaxing. She'd be like, her video be like, this is how your videos start. They'd be like, I forgot what this is. It says, she'd be like, and then she'd be like, Patalis ASMR, Patalis ASMR, Patalis ASMR, Patalis ASMR, Patalis ASMR. She'd be like, my buttercups, my buttercups, my buttercups, my buttercups, my family, my buttercups. You already know. so cute. The kitty is so cute. I know that I have to make some ASMR video for you guys, okay? So, but I do have some video ideas that I've been wanting to do for you guys, like ASAP. It's just that I haven't gotten the time to, or I've just been busy with stuff. But I really do want to dedicate time to my ASMR channel, and I do think about it a lot. You know, it's just I do think about it a lot. It's just life. I feel like this year is going by fast. Well, not really, and really because it's barely been like half of the year, you know. But yeah, definitely coming to an end soon. Well, at least like summer is going by. Well, summer went by very fast, you know. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you for watching.